If you're new to crypto or thinking about switching exchanges, you've definitely heard of Binance, the world's biggest cryptocurrency trading platform. But is Binance still worth it this year? Is it safe, easy to use, and beginner-friendly? I've tested it out, and in this video, I'll break down everything you need to know. The pros, the cons, let's dive right in. So, what exactly is Binance? Binance was founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, also known as CZ. In just a few years, it grew into the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, with users from over 180 countries. Binance isn't just a trading app, it's an entire crypto ecosystem. You can buy, sell, trade, stake, lend, and even mint NFTs all in one place. It's known for high liquidity, meaning your trades execute fast, and low trading fees, which is one of the biggest reasons traders love it. Main advantages of Binance. Let's start with what makes Binance so attractive. Low trading fees, around 0.1%, and you can cut that even lower by paying fees with BNB, Binance's own token. Massive range of features: spot trading, futures, margin, staking, P2P, and even launchpads for new tokens. Great liquidity. With billions traded daily, Binance ensures your orders go through quickly without slippage. Advanced tools and charts for both beginners and professionals. Mobile-friendly design. The Binance app is smooth, stable, and packed with features. And here's the best part. If you're a new user, sign up using my referral code BN4321, complete your KYC, and you can unlock a welcome bonus worth up to $100 plus 20% off trading fees for life. It's a simple way to start trading with an edge. Now let's keep it real. Binance isn't perfect. Overwhelming for beginners, the platform has so many tools and features that it might feel complicated at first. Regulatory challenges. Binance has faced legal scrutiny in several countries, so certain features like futures trading may not be available everywhere. Crypto volatility. Of course, this isn't Binance's fault, but you should always remember, crypto prices can swing wildly. Binance is safe overall. It uses cold wallets, SAFU insurance funds, and strong security protocols, but as with all online platforms, you should always enable two-factor authentication and never share your account details. Remember, do your own research and invest responsibly. Let's talk numbers, fees and bonuses. Trading fees, spot trading, about 0.1%, and futures trading, similar, but depends on your VIP level. Withdrawal fees vary depending on the crypto asset. Products you can access: spot and futures trading, margin trading, Binance Earn and staking, P2P marketplace, NFT platform, and even Binance Pay now. Here's the step-by-step guide to claim your welcome bonus using my referral code BN4321. Go to Binance.com or download the Binance app. Click Register, enter referral code BN4321 during sign-up. Complete your KYC verification, identity check, deposit your first $50 or more, or make your first trade. You'll unlock up to $100 in welcome rewards, depending on your country and campaign. And yes, you'll also get 20% off trading fees forever. That's one of the best referral perks available right now. So, final thoughts? Is Binance still worth? Absolutely. It remains one of the most trusted and comprehensive exchanges in the world. Just make sure you understand how to use it safely, enable all security settings, and start small if you're new to crypto. If you're ready to give it a try, sign up using my referral code BN4321. You'll get up to $100 in bonuses and discounted trading fees for life. The link is in the description below. Don't miss out. That's it for today's review. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto insights every week. And just a reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!